they are here, and I am shaking, and I am already getting emotional. So who would like to see a new book? Oh boy. These just arrived from Friesens in Canada. Thank you to my printer for overnighting these to me so I could see these before the big shipment arrives. There's just so many emotions going on right now. Oh my. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh, it's perfect. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Oh my goodness. Well, this is what happens when hardship strikes. You listen to a river, and the river helps you find your own voice and helps you become your own river. And so I cannot wait to share this with you. Oh my goodness, it's so pretty. Yeah, so grab some pie, put on your life vest, and get ready for a splashy adventure on the Colorado River. I want to thank everybody, every single one of you who have helped me over the last 9 years bring this to life. This is a dream, and I can't wait for you to read it. So stay tuned, they're coming.